everyone, and welcome to Blue Spoon Veggie. Who doesn't love lasagna? I think a veggie lasagna is one of the most versatile dishes that I cook. It's so easy to swap in different veggies depending on taste and season. This one also includes black beans. Don't like beans? Then leave them out. For this lasagna, I've chosen a colourful collection of veg: an acorn squash, 2 small sweet potatoes, a red pepper and a courgette. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start by prepping all the vegetables for roasting, starting with this beautiful acorn squash. I'm more used to seeing acorn squash in darker shades of green, but perhaps this is a seasonal colour. Anyway, halve the squash, always a bit of a challenge. Remove the seeds from both halves. Then season with salt and pepper and drizzle with a little olive oil. That's the squash ready for the oven, so let's work on the rest of the veg now. Keep the chunks nice and small for this recipe, for a filling which works well when layered in the lasagna. Transfer the beautiful chopped vegetables to an oven dish or tray. You don't have to arrange them like this, but it might brighten up a small moment in an otherwise dull day. The funny thing is, I do this kind of thing when I'm not making videos as well. Roast all the vegetables at 180 degrees C, that's 350 Fahrenheit, for 45 minutes. In the meantime, I'll make up the tomato sauce. This is a nice light tomato sauce with garlic and white wine. Here I have some canned chopped tomatoes with a squeeze of tomato puree, and let's add some dried mixed herbs to that. Some Veggie Worcester sauce and white wine vinegar. Then season with salt and pepper. Heat some butter and olive oil in a large pan. Grate or crush in 2 garlic cloves, or more if you like things really garlicky. Gently cook the garlic for 2 minutes. Add in the tomatoey bowl and a splash of water. It doesn't have to be hot water, the kettle was just close by, and give that a good stir. Don't forget the white wine, like I nearly did. Let the sauce simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Halfway through the veg roasting time, give the cubes a stir and then return to the oven. Back to the pan now, and let's add in the black beans and give them a stir in. Once the veg have finished roasting, add them to the pan as well. Then scoop out the flesh of the acorn squash. Mash the flesh slightly, mix in all the roasted veg, and the filling is finished. Time now to make a cheese sauce to top the lasagna with. If you want to save time, just use a shop-bought cheese sauce. Melt the butter and stir in some plain flour. Add in the milk, a little at a time, stirring as you pour. Cook the sauce gently and stir until there are no lumps left. Then add in some grated cheese. I'm using a favourite cheese, goat's gouda, which has a strong, sharp flavour, but use whatever grated cheese you like. Season with salt and pepper, and the cheese sauce is finished. It's time to assemble the lasagna now. I'm going to use 1/3 of the sauce and spread that out, then 1/3 of the mozzarella, then a pasta layer. Repeat with another 1/3 of the sauce, cheese and lasagna sheets, giving the pasta a little press down as you go. Spread out the final 1/3 of the sauce and add the final mozzarella and pasta layers. Give the lasagna sheets one last press down. Finally, top with the cheese sauce. Bake for 40 minutes at the same temperature as the vegetables roasted, 180 degrees C. time to portion up this delicious looking lasagna. I would serve 6 people with it, but it depends how hungry the lucky diners are, and if you're serving an accompaniment such as garlic bread alongside. Lots of lovely melted mozzarella there. Today I'm just serving it with a salad. I do hope you give this tasty lasagna a try yourself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more recipes from Blue Spoon Veggie, and I'll see you again soon.